What kind of valve stem is needed for TPMS? If you are a teenager learning to drive and take care of your own car, understanding tire maintenance is key. One important part of that is knowing about valve stems, especially if your vehicle has a tire pressure monitoring system. So, what kind of valve stem do you need for this system? First, let's talk about the two main types of valve stems you will encounter. The first type is the metal clamp-in valve stem. This type is designed to securely hold the tire pressure monitoring system sensor in place. It includes a rubber seal and retaining parts that must be tightened to prevent air leaks. These metal stems are often nickel-plated to resist corrosion, which can damage both the sensor and the valve over time. The second type is the rubber snap-in valve stem. This option is easier to install and can also hold the tire pressure monitoring system sensor. However, it is essential that this type is compatible with the sensor design to ensure it works correctly and retains air properly. When you are changing a tire, it is crucial to replace the valve stems at the same time. This helps maintain the integrity of the tire pressure monitoring system sensor and prevents any air leaks. If you use the wrong valve stem, it can lead to sensor damage or inaccurate tire pressure readings. This is especially important for teens who are just starting to learn about car maintenance and safety. Now, let's discuss the specifications. Valve stems for tire pressure monitoring systems must fit the rim hole size correctly. The common sizes are either 0.453 inches or 0.625 inches in diameter. The right size depends on your vehicle and wheel type. Additionally, the stem length and angle can vary to match your wheel design, making tire inflation easier. In summary, for a tire pressure monitoring system, you need a valve stem that is compatible with the system. You can choose between a metal clamp-in valve stem or a rubber snap-in valve stem. Just make sure it fits your wheel's rim hole size and matches the sensor type. Proper installation and maintenance of these valve stems will keep your tire pressure monitoring system functioning correctly, helping you stay aware of your tire pressure and improving your driving safety.